Hey, hello guys, this is Sunny from Ultimate Tech Review back with another video. So today I'm at MSI India and today we have MSI GP75 Leopard laptop with us. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let us first talk about the specification of this device. Starting up with the CPU, this model has Intel's i7 9th generation processor in it. The GPU it's running on is powered by NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 20 series. And this specific machine has 6GB of GeForce RTX 2060. It comes with 16GB of RAM with extra DIMM slot which is expandable up to 64GB, has 1TB of hard drive and 512GB of SSD which can also be expanded. It has this very immersive 17.3 inches display with the resolution of 1920 by 1080p IPS display with 144Hz refresh rate. Yes, you heard me right, 144Hz of refresh rate. Amazing, right? And the bezel on this laptop is very much thin, which makes it more immersive. Talking about the physical overview, on the right hand side we can see a massive opening for ventilation. Beside that we have RJ45 LAN port followed by HDMI and mini HDMI port which is capable of 4K resolution output at 60Hz, and beside that we got 3.2 USB type A port and a USB type C, and we also get this 3.5mm headphone and microphone connector. And now on the left hand side we have this power slot and two USB 3.2 type A port and a SD card slot. At the back we got this cool looking ventilation and a Leopard branding on it. And the keyboard it comes with has per key RGB backlit keyboard which is powered by SteelSeries. And personally I was quite impressed with the traveling space and the response timing of the keyboard. And the mousepad placement is also done right below the keyboard and it was quite comfortable to use, and also the response rate of this mousepad was quite impressive. And there are two 3-watt speakers which is good enough for some media use, but while gaming I'd suggest you to pop on your gaming headset. And at the top we get this basic HD type webcam good for 720p at 30fps, and it has wireless LAN and Bluetooth version 5. So overall specification and look wise it's totally a beast sitting on your desk. And now you all might be thinking, how can this system stay cool with this heavy specification? Well, MSI has done a very impressive job for cooling. We have a dedicated cooling button on the device itself. Yes, a dedicated button for cooling. And MSI has named it Cooler Booster 5. So when you press this key, the fan turns on and throws all the heats outside from all 4 directions. And there are 7 heat pipes to do this job, and it drops the heat up to 10 degrees Celsius when turned on, which is massive drop. And this is how it sounds when it's turned on. And here's the difference between the Cooler Booster 5 turned on and turned off. And as you can see that there's a massive temperature drop in it, which is quite impressive. And the graphics score on this machine is 6857, which is 62% better than all the gaming laptop available in the market at this price range. And on Cinebench score it score around 2506 CBs, and on a single core it's 420. So that's all with the specification and overview scores. What about gaming? How does it perform? Well, here's the gameplay of Rage 2, and the game was easily getting 80 to 92 frames per second, which is dope. And the refresh rate of the display make the gaming even more better. Personally, I love this beast. The company has named this gaming laptop perfectly Leopard, which relates to powerful, aggressive and fast. So that's it for now. We'll be reviewing another laptop from MSI soon, so stay tuned for that. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button which is very much appreciated. And what do you think about this laptop? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so every time I upload a new video you get notified first. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next one.